Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable footsteps in Fortnite. So this will help you see enemies, you'll see the footsteps when they get close to you, and you can also see reboots, or you can see if someone's healing next to you. So first of all, hop onto Fortnite and click on this icon right here. We need to get into the settings. So click on this gear symbol, and then we want to go to the sound settings. So click on this audio symbol right here. Scroll down a bit until you are in the sound settings right here, the second subcategory, and then you can see this setting right here, visualize sound effects. This will usually be off when you download Fortnite with the default settings, and so we can see footsteps of enemies and other stuff. We want to click this button right here and this will turn it on. Make sure to hit apply, and then in your next Fortnite game you will see the footsteps of your enemies. So now you can see all the footsteps right around you. You can see enemies, you can also see their shots. This is really useful when you're playing normal games. It just gives you an advantage. You know where everyone is and you can track people way easier. You can see if people are rebooting, you can tell if they're healing, so definitely turn the setting on. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. That helps us out a lot, and if you have any questions, just comment down below and we have a whole team ready to help you with any questions or concerns.